Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Victoria and I, you probably remember her from my last video. She's my best friend, and today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree DIY challenge. So she's gonna explain what we're gonna do.
Okay, so we are going to do, like, each of us, we're gonna kind of go our separate ways, do like home decor. We're gonna do DIY, and we're both gonna do our own thing, and then at the end we're gonna see who does better, I guess?
Yeah, we're gonna have like judges. We're not gonna tell them like whose project is who.
We're gonna like FaceTime some of our friends or whatever and see like who they think
Who did better.
Yeah, who did better.
So yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. So if you want to see who wins and what we come up with, please keep watching this video. Also, our budget is $10. Like, we cannot go over $10, and it can just be one craft, like one DIY. Okay, and we are actually pulling into Dollar Tree, our favorite store. Actually, this is more Victoria's favorite store. She has everything from Dollar Tree.
Yes.
So obviously we have our masks on now because we have to wear a mask everywhere.
And we had to bring Brody.
He's gonna
My
be our
little boy.
audience today. He's gonna be one of the judges as well. I ran into my competition, and I'm not gonna look in her car because I don't want to cheat. But so far, this is what I've got.
Okay, so right now I'm just looking around. I don't really know what I want to do. So
I'm thinking I could do something with these flowers, maybe. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm thinking of getting this vase and painting it with nail polish, and then I'm gonna fill it with some flowers, and I'm trying to find something else to put inside to hold the flowers. Okay, these are really cute. I like these. Cute. Here, Brody. Yeah, thumbs up. You like these, Brody?
What are they?
Yes.
What are
No,
they?
I'm thinking of like a bouquet.
Are these fruits?
No.
What are they?
This is what I ended up deciding on. So I'm a little confused as to what's going on right here because it's summer and that's like fall. But it's cute.
okay, guys, so I think I'm done. I need to get a few other things, but as of right now, like, I got everything that I need.
Mommy,
So
Mama.
I'll show y'all the next
So
part.
we're done, and
Hot.
it's very hot today. That was, for me, that was more difficult than I thought.
I didn't think that I was gonna spend $10,
Oh yeah,
and I
that too.
definitely spent like $9.
I was like at 9. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
And
a lot easier to.
Yeah, I still needed more stuff,
Yeah.
but I'm excited to see
know, me too.
what we got. I feel like mine could go very bad or it could be like awesome.
Yeah.
Yours? What do you think?
I feel like it'll be pretty good. I was which I said this in one of my clips, but I was kind of confused because did you notice that there was a lot of fall stuff?
There was a lot of fall stuff.
And I was like,
but you know what? It's already July.
yeah, June, July.
Oh, it is almost September.
So like, yeah, I was a little confused as to why there was so much fall.
Yeah, because the flowers, all the flowers were like fall colors.
Yeah.
There's a few pinks and reds, but those are, I mean, they always have those colors. There wasn't any pretty summer colors, I feel like. But yeah. All right. We will,
Sorry, I'm like totally not paying attention and waving at other people.
we'll be back when we set everything up so we can see what each other got. So we're back from Dollar Tree, and now we're gonna show each other like what we got. You wanna go first? Yeah, you go first.
I need to tell you like what I'm doing.
So how many items did you get?
I believe I got 9, but I may have to.
I got 9 too.
I may have to double check.
You would think that $10 at Dollar Tree is a lot, but since everything's $1, you just kind of grab and grab and grab. Oh wow.
6.
Okay. Are you doing like a big vase?
7. Oh. No, I got 10 things. So I went a little over.
Okay.
With my taxes.
Just with taxes.
Okay, so I got all these flowers. Like I said, they had a lot of fall stuff, and I wasn't like going into it. I didn't really know what I was gonna do, but then they had a lot of really pretty flowers, so I was just like, whatever. I'm just gonna take advantage of it. Oh, these are for me. These are extra. So I did get 9 things because the popsicle sticks are for me. They're not for this. So yes, I got 9 things.
Okay.
That's all.
So I got 9 things. I got this little jar with a lid. And then I got some little makeup wedges. And I got a candle. I was gonna do a vase. Like a flower vase, like a flower arrangement, but then I saw she was in the flower section, so I was like, I think I want to do something different. And then I got this little bag of white decorative stones, and I got I'm going to use as paint. I just counted my stuff, and I actually only got 8 things, which is good. I went under budget, so I guess it'll make up for yours.
Okay. I have to cut all these tags.
Okay. I'm gonna use my nail polishes as paint because I don't think they had acrylic paint there. And I'm gonna paint the outside of the jar. So here is mine. And it is a little candle. I feel like this is a kid-friendly craft. Victoria's gonna light it. Don't burn your nail. Oh! You get like a
I've already done this once.
One more. Oh no, say no?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it looks like, lit up. And then show yours.
Okay. So it's a little messy, like here, but I think for the most part.
I like it. I think it's nice. Yeah, I like it. Like, it looks really fancy. Because you got it real full. We're going to clean up our mess, and then we're going to, like, call friends and see which one is better. Okay, so we're going to call a few people, whoever answers. And I'm just going to bring them both out. That way they won't know whose is whose.
Okay. We're calling Megan, our friend Megan.
And then she doesn't answer.
Why should nobody answer? Hey, Megan.
Hey, Megan.
Hey,
We need your opinion.
what?
We're filming a video right now for Karen's
Okay.
channel.
Turn it that way so
Here's Megan. Say hi. Okay, never mind.
Okay, so we just need you. Can you hear us?
Yes.
You have to
Okay.
tell us what
Which
you like
one-
better.
Which one you prefer? Okay, and she can vote too. Okay, this is the first one. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
It's like a vase, and then
What are y'all filming? Like, what are y'all doing?
DIYs,
We're trying to do like a Dollar Tree challenge and see.
and then this is the second one.
So here's both.
So
So, which one's cute?
yeah,
Which one do you like?
Which one do you like more?
Those are like completely different.
Yeah, I know.
Come over here.
I need water.
Come on this one.
Does that a candle or something?
Yeah.
There's a camera just a little bit, yeah. There it is.
So it's a candle, and then it has white rock, and then this is painted.
I like the candle. I think I do too. I was just about to say that.
Okay.
Okay.
The other thing is fall. It looks really fall-ish. Yeah, the other one does look fall, like it's fall, you know? Like you're putting it in your house for fall.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that was it. Thank you.
Thank you. We gotta call some more. 2 points for Karen. Which one do you like better?
Which one do I like better?
Yeah, this one or this one?
That one or that one?
Yeah, just pick one. This one? Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna call Jacob.
I want to see them too. I want to see them too.
Hey.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
We
just
need-
need like,
We need you to judge our
or, no, don't
don't
do
do
that.
that. We need you to judge our pieces and see which one you like better,
Our
okay?
crafts. Okay,
Okay?
here's this one. Can you see it?
I can see it.
It's like a burlap vase. Okay. And then there's this one. It's a candle, like a candle holder and a candle.
Oh, I like both of them.
You have to choose one.
You have to choose.
Show them both. Show them both. Just choose one. Just whichever one you like more.
Oh, that's hard.
Just choose one.
Hurry.
The burlap thing?
Okay.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, bye. Maybe she won't answer. Oh. Mom.
What?
Okay, so we made these things from Dollar Tree, and we need you to tell us which one you like better. Okay?
So here's this one. It's like it's a vase with burlap. And then here's this one.
Ooh, I like that.
It's like
Well, they're both, they're both They're both different, so I mean, how do you pick which one you like the best?
Yeah, like which one do you like more?
If one of y'all make one, the other one make one, and
Yes.
I like them both.
Just choose one.
Oh, y'all.
It's a competition, so you have to pick. If you went to the store and you had to buy one to put in your house, what would it be?
I like the base.
Okay.
Probably the base.
Okay.
I get this.
All right. Okay. So Karen has three. I have two. So Karen's winning. Okay.
So, if you want to vote, let us know in the comment section down below which craft or which DIY you prefer. Or which one's your favorite. I mean, they're both cute, but just which one
It's like your style.
is your style.
Yeah.
And I think that is the end of this video. If you want to keep seeing Victoria in my YouTube videos, please comment down below, like this video, share with your family and friends. And thank you so much for watching. Say bye, Brody.
Say bye.
Bye.